Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the planned missions of ISRO in the coming years. But before that, let's have a flashback of its achievements. So guys, our first mission is going to be Chandrayaan 3. The details you can see on the screen. So it is ISRO's another bid to land on the moon, and they will use Chandrayaan's second orbit for Chandrayaan 3 mission actually in these missions, and the Chandrayaan 3 committee will work on the recommendations of the Chandrayaan 2 committee. That is going to be there. So guys, let's talk about another mission. Another mission is going to be the collaborations between the two space agencies of India and Japan Space Agency, that is ISRO and JAXA. Now the details of the mission LUPEX you can see on the screens. Now both the space agencies will be collaborating with one another to land H3 rocket on moon. Now as per the details, we have the landing module and the rover will be built by the Japan's JAXA, while ISRO will build the lander system. So both the agencies are coming together, and where the landing point is going to be, the landing point is going to be on the south pole region of the moon. Now our next mission is going to be land-based missions for terrain mapping analysis of land, ocean and water surface for soil moisture, and its name is RISAT-1A. Now the rest of the details of this mission you can see on the screen. So guys, our next mission is going to be the collaboration between the two world's biggest space agencies, that is ISRO and NASA. Now, the name of the mission you can see on the screen. So NASA and the ISRO are coming together to make this mission possible, and the cost of the ISRO's work share is estimated at 788 crores. That means ISRO is going to spend about 788 crores, and that of the NASA is going to be that of 808 million US dollar. 808 million dollar they are going to spend for this mission, and the rest of the details you can see on your screen. So guys, now let's talk about the another missions of Indian Space and Research Organization. Another mission is again going to be the mission on Mars, and as we know that the first mission was launched to Mars in the name of Mars Orbiter Mission, and it was also known as Mangalyaan. Now it was launched on 5th November 2013 by the Indian Space and Research Organization. Now we also know that it was India's first interplanetary mission. Same as the Mangalyaan first, there is another mission known as Mangalyaan 2. Now the details of the Mangalyaan 2 you can see on the screen. It is going to be the India's second interplanetary mission by ISRO, and it is also called Mangalyaan, and it will be expected to launch on year 2024. Now guys, after Mars, India is going to set its foot on Venus. Now Indian Space and Research Organization is all set to launch its Venus mission in 2025 with the participation from French space agency known as CNES. Now the details of this mission you can are going to see on the screen, and this mission will be a joint vision between India and France. So again, there is going to be an interplanetary mission, and it's expected to launch in 2025. And now what we are going to study in this mission, we are going to study the atmosphere of the planet Venus. And as we know that the planet Venus, it is the second planet from the sun. And also there is one more specification of Venus, that is it is the hottest planet of our solar system. So now India is going to land on it. So guys, our country has landed on the Mars as well as Venus. Now let's talk about its another you can say ambitious plan. Now Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently highlighted in Mann Ki Baat program that ISRO is planning to launch its first sun mission Aditya L1. We can say now ISRO is planning its mission to sun. Now this was expected to launch in year 2020, but due to COVID-19 pandemic, the launch has been delayed and is now expected in the year 2022. Now we are going to step our foot on the sun. We have to study its solar corona, that is, we are going to study the atmosphere of the sun in 2022. So guys, the most ambitious plan of our space agency is to send a human into the space, and therefore they are going to send a human into the space in the year 2021. And the spacecraft for sending a human into the space will be made by one of my favorite two agencies known as ISRO and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. And the rest of the details of Gaganyaan you can see on your screen. Now it is going to be carry 3 Indian astronauts to the low Earth orbit. that's it with the Indian Space and Research Organization. God bless ISRO and God bless India. Thank you guys for watching my video, and thank you for being in tune with me. Thanks a lot, guys.